It's been a while since the last time I hiked a mountain with friends. The question is, am I ready for the next one? Let's call this series Conquering the Majestic Mountain, a hiking adventure. I'm on the way to LA right now, and I decided to hike the trail of Runyon Canyon Park. I'm totally not prepared.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So don't try this at home. Let's get started. A little brief about Runyon Canyon Park. It's a popular hiking and recreational area located in the heart of Los Angeles, California. Nestled within the Hollywood Hills, this urban oasis offers stunning views of the city, diverse hiking trails, and a vibrant atmosphere where celebrities and locals alike come to enjoy the outdoors. It's approximately 4 hours hiking from start to finish, so be prepared. The expedition takes you up a towering mountain and is an exhilarating and awe-inspiring experience. It's a combination of breathtaking scenery, physical challenges, and a deep connection with nature, making the hiking experience an adventure unlike any other. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a novice seeking a thrilling outdoor escape, hiking a mountain offers a rewarding journey that will leave you with everlasting impressions.
A few moments later.
Here's the list of what you need to prepare for your next hiking experience. First, you should know and choose the right mountain. Consider factors such as difficulty level, elevation, trail conditions, and weather. I researched various mountains using hiking guides and online resources. I read reviews from experienced hikers and made an informed decision. The popular choice in LA is Runyon Canyon Park. That mountain offers unique challenges and rewards.
A few moments later.
Demands physical fitness and stamina. Before your next hike, establish a routine of regular cardiovascular activity. Strengthen your leg muscles using hiking-specific exercises. Additionally, practice hiking on local trails to acclimate your body and get comfortable with carrying a backpack. Avoid overexertion. This can cause injuries. Next is gear and equipment. Investing in appropriate gear and equipment is paramount for a successful mountain hike. Essential items include sturdy hiking boots, moisture-wicking clothing, a waterproof backpack, reliable map or GPS device, first aid kit, and sufficient food and water supplies. Don't forget to pack sunscreen, a hat, sunglasses, and clothing layers to accommodate changing weather conditions. Research your chosen mountain to ensure you have all the necessary gear. What am I wearing? They're Converse chucks. It's slippery, and good luck to that guy.
What?
Important tip, safety first. Prioritize safety during your mountain hike. Check the weather forecast, trail conditions, and any potential hazards before setting out. Consider going with a hiking companion or joining a guided group for added safety. I'm doing it alone, and I had to search to follow the trail track. Again, don't be like me. motivated by setting smaller goals along the way, like reaching a certain landmark or completing a specific trail track. Embrace the challenges as they come and celebrate each victory as every step takes you closer to the summit. Last tip, and most importantly, just enjoy the journey. When you finally get there and you find yourself at the peak of the entire experience, stop and take it all in. You'll know why it was worth it. Reaching the mountain summit is a momentous achievement.
Nice.
A few moments later.
We are done here. Let's start the time lapse going back to the entrance. Let's go.